Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Instagram profile picture. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Instagram, open the app, and after that, go and click on your profile picture in the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go and click on Edit Profile and go to the first option, Edit Picture or Avatar. And as you can see, you will have multiple options here. You can choose from library, that means from your phone. You can import the profile picture of WhatsApp. That means your profile picture on WhatsApp will be the same with Instagram. You can import from Facebook. You can take a picture with your camera or remove your current picture and just leave your picture blank. And that's it. You can choose any one of these options and use your favorite picture and put it as your profile picture on Instagram. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.